From your resources, please make sure to download the basic conditional formatting file and then open it. Now, conditional formatting is a very nice feature to use. Now let's select column D, for instance, and then from the home tab in our styles group on the conditional formatting, let's click on the drop down list. And with conditional formatting, you can do quite a few things. You can highlight cells that are greater than a certain value, less than a certain value, between a certain value, equal to a certain value, text that contains certain things, a date occurring. You can even check for duplicate values. You got top and bottom rules, top 10, top 10%, bottom 10, bottom 10%, above the average, below an average, data bars and color scales and icon sets we will cover in different Excel courses. Let's quickly look at highlight the rules, cell rules, and let's maybe select the product just to illustrate this better. When you go back into conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, let's click here for duplicate cell values. And you see there that we will get quite a lot, but we know we've got a lot of products that are the same. You can also then change the colors to maybe yellow or green, or you can play around with these data as you wanted to. You can, once again, let's go back to salesperson, conditional formatting, and let's say text that contains, and let's just say David. So it's going to select all the Davids for us. Let's go Control Z to undo that. Let's go back into conditional formatting. Let's select our sales. Go back into conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. Values that are greater than, let's say for instance, 5,000. Yeah. So now it's going to highlight everything that is greater than 5,000. Unfortunately, the top one, I don't know why. And we can click on cancel there. We can go back to conditional formatting. Let's maybe go between, and let's go from 0 to 1,000 maybe. Just highlight the data quickly. We also go back into there, and then let's maybe say we don't have dates in this document, which is fine. We did text that contains. We can even go less than, and let's say less than 500. Click on OK. So with this conditional formatting, you know, if you are looking for certain information within your document, okay, use conditional formatting, and then you just simply scroll and you can see, okay, but here's all of it. Now let me add one thing on top of this. Remember earlier on we were talking about sorting. Let's go back and select column D, go to my data, and here in the sort and filter group, when we added this filter, now look at this nice feature that Excel has. From the drop down, okay, let's hover where it says filter by color, and let's select all the pink ones. Can you now see there that whatever you did on a conditional format, okay, it will quickly be able to, you can take a large set of data and trim it down to just see the information that you need on screen. Look at what has happened to the rows, 7, 11, 19, and they've changed blue as well. When you see this type of thing, always know that you've got a filter running.